Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set wallpaper on Chromebook or how to change wallpaper on Chromebook. First, you'll need to toggle down to the right hand corner, bottom right hand corner, and you're going to tap on time. And from there, you'll tap on the settings cog. Next, you're going to go over to the left hand corner and you're going to tap on personalization. Then you'll see wallpaper and you're going to tap on that. And from here you can select from your gallery or you can select numerous other packages. As you can see here, you can tap on this one, cityscape. And if you would like to select a particular image, for example, this one only, you can tap on it. And if you like for your wallpaper to be changed daily, you can tap on change daily right here. And that's it. That's how to set or how to change wallpaper on Chromebook. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.